Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa ede ensem bi atudwa na ne nsem a oka no sebio enyansa sempa anti NPP fo no muntie. Honorable ne nsem a oka na ne se ade ba ko a onte ase a eye ne nwanwa a surprise ne pa eye hawa NPP fo omo eye omo campaign no na the Honorable Hopson adoye eye mfanto ho na ne nsem okay na ne se Honorable Hopson last otie no se okasa na ensema na oka ede efa Vice President Dr. Bawumia no ho no enya de a esefata kra eye politics ena mu ina moye ena one party ena campaign ena moye at the end of the day no what aba Honorable Vice President Dr. Bawumia eye rural and cash Honorable Kennedy Akomprekwe Japan Honorable Free Akoto nipa we mu na de obemi ni bia mu na mu be come together na mo aye campaign e de ameni pakro no na ne mu de hene atemdidi ayampiato amokeken Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa etrese eye Vice President Dr. Bawumia ne papa moja no e wo mon campaign mo no NPP fo enye ensem fata kra anka campaign de anka efa ye Vice President Dr. Bawumia ne papa ho ben enya de efa no ho enti no NPP fo how amusi eye mon campaign no eye time enti munjai na munjai eye Vice President Dr. Bawumia ne papa na ontena ne baby na mon campaign na moye no ombeka mo yenti ensema Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa ede etuja.
Yes, but I must conclude on the nature of the campaign so far. Doc, I'm getting increasingly worried about the choice of words, about the way the campaign is panning out so far. It's becoming too dirty, too acrimonious. The insults. I mean, I don't know if you have followed. I mean, a few days ago I was reading the Hopson Adoye, who put out a statement that all the MPs who are following Bawumia, they are doing that because they are hungry, because of their stomachs. That's why they are following Bawumia. You know, there was another chap who brought in Bawumia's father's betrayal. Even fathers are not being spared in this campaign. I mean, assess him based on his own conduct, his own track record. Why are you bringing in his father? You know, and they say that his father betrayed the MPP at every opportunity, and they just pillaring the guy's, you know, family tree, the whole genealogy, and descending on his father. I mean, what has somebody's father really got to do with a campaign? So I'm not impressed with the heat, the animosity, the acrimony that has created this campaign.
And we saw for in some way an honorable Eddie Atsuja seminar and Tasso.
I mean, there's another MPP MP. I mean, I couldn't believe his words. Former MP for Insuta Kwaman, Insuta Kwaman Beposo, the Honorable Kwame Asafweje. He said Bawumia should stay away, that he should not even have picked forms, that he has failed. He was brought in to help stabilize the economy. He has been a disaster. These are the words of a former MPP MP. And I remember him very well. He was serving on the Agri Committee. I think he was the chairman of that committee when he served as MP. And he says that President Akufo-Addo brought him to assist him to stabilize the city and make it better than what we inherited. So far, the Vice President has not been responsible. The President had confidence in him, but he has failed all of us. Has the economy gone down well? He further quiz. Kwame Asafweje complained about the several promises, including the one about ensuring that Ghana will not go to the IMF to borrow again. He said the money is here. He explained that Bawumia said that we won't borrow to construct roads.
Okudzeto said you are the luckiest vice president because you have taken absolutely over all. To date, what do you mean? One common policy. I also did this. What do you mean? Yakwaka always say, "Muhumbwani bekata ye ninti uye juma ye." Now, what muhumbwani ankata wankasa when John Dramani Mahama? Tell us, because we cannot see. Even in the green book, no krapono, we cannot see them. And when we have and Krofubu ha million mami kachiramu, Nyankopa dano omumwa, na sese no, yenima ye dead too much. Unzatete Nebukadnezar time no, na nimudeni ho saa. Entina nkrofo nkwa ha yo owuram nyesa nka Nebukadnezar obi kumu. Enti na enimda ba ukwa wa hwe abofo bi bekwa kokun ni de nyame odane waboa no amo still ukita nipa sutifie kum chacha se ya na boa adwe edani trim no eye mo adwe ene oditifie kum chacha as useless as he is a non-entity emo Ghana so parade ya nya betwa ye beshi akokun no ode atopa ehia yo. As useless as kum chacha is beka kire yen say our sitting president afili wo kum chacha or my papa bi man kasa do hank of dawsa you a criminal untu tax wo betra delay so ka kire say wo ton oil na wo ton no. Thank you, bless you too, bro. Oil na kum chacha wo ton no fa wo tax ebra betre receipt betre say me ton ade we me kotu oil wo bum krofo afa so asafuma agije o musika ama na odi abroti akoniaba. Which of your church members were you able to sponsor his or her education? Now o mampanyi bi aba say there be ene wo bi sia kra ebe kwa akobọ ne adanyanimde because knowledge is power. Ye wa begu bi kra ye bu ni say ye tontumi a utimi ton wo maame kwaje tumi no wo wi a na de tumi na kwaje wo maame. You know how deep this is? And the yes, nimdia eye tumi na se omampanyi buadana na do danko akufuado. See, me ma Ghanaian citizen tumi. And the school free. Oh yeah, university yabema loan interest free. Fakwa. Who you school your free baby you start go and register na fasa aban me madwinnie sika na mini na me hwese aban no to ene o trans hwa mpase de wo ye na befa ni abon sika na o de ahye bibia ase koso people are benefiting because NDC for mo ba ye na John Dramani Mahama Dawoma wa mama nko school nti you know say opportunity be e da beto obia no wo ye den emfa mawo. Yaka wonye to trust them when they come, they have nothing to say. Mabua, energy, sa. That is what they do on social media. And there are people that yadano mumwa. Senko muko roma, yebeku omu. And the wombet nefi. One, Captain Smart say,